Hi there and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to do a quick video on how you can add more fat to your diet. Eating more healthy fats is one of the best ways to improve your skin health. Fats help to balance hormones, help the liver to detoxify, reduces inflammation and heals the gut lining. It helps your body absorb nutrients better and it helps to balance blood sugars. So adding a few more different types of healthy fats to your meals can really help improve the state of your skin. So today I'm going to tell you my 5 easy peasy simple tricks to add a little bit more fat into your diet every day. So number 1, supersize your salads. Salads can either be really boring or they can be amazing, and adding more fat to your salads can make them insane. We're talking about seeds, olive oil dressings, goat's cheese, sheep cheese, avocado, salmon. There's so many different things that you can add, high fat, healthy foods that you can add into your salads to make them taste amazing. So number 2 is add some melted fat to your smoothies. So I like to melt either ghee or butter, cocoa butter or coconut oil. I usually melt down about 2 tablespoons, so you're getting a really nice good amount of fats there. Melt down about 2 tablespoons in the microwave and then add it to my smoothie mix before blitzing it on high. This little trick not only helps you get like a really nice little boost of healthy fats, it makes the smoothie taste so much creamier and more indulgent, and also makes it so filling. My kind of morning protein smoothie that I have literally will keep me full till lunchtime. I don't even think about food. It's so filling, and so high in healthy fats, and that kind of filling feeling is a sign that my blood sugar levels are staying stable throughout the morning, which is great. This is what we want. We want to be eating foods that are keeping us sustained for long periods of time, rather than having these blood sugar spikes where we're eating something and then 5 minutes later we're feeling really hungry. So add some melted fat to your smoothie. So number 3, don't eat your veggies raw. Instead, roast or stir fry them in either ghee, coconut oil, or something like duck or goose fat. Not only does cooking your vegetables in fat help to boost your fat intake and balance your blood sugars, but studies have also shown that by cooking your vegetables and eating your vegetables with some sort of fat helps your body to increase the nutrient absorption. So one of the perfect examples of that is beta carotene and other fat soluble vitamins. By eating it with fat, you can help boost the amount that your body can absorb from the vegetables. So eat your vegetables with fat. Try and roast them, try and cook them. Not only are they easier to digest when they're cooked, cooking them with fat also helps to have a lot of other benefits on your body too. Number 4, start snacking on fat bombs. So if you're someone who often finds that they need to have a snack, whether it's through boredom or just because you're not eating enough food at your main meals, then snacking on something that is really high in fat is a really great way of sneaking those extra fats into your diet. Fat bombs are great. They're essentially like little round ball, or they come in all shapes and sizes, but originally started as like little round, almost like protein balls, but with fat instead. And they are made up with coconut oils, desiccated coconut, almond flour, nut seeds. They're basically just like a really nutrient dense, fat rich snack. There are tons and tons of recipes on Pinterest. My favorite one is it's sort of like a healthy Nutella hazelnut fat bomb, which is just divine. Like, I will find the recipe and I will link it below, because it's amazing. It's so tasty, and it tastes almost like a truffle, like it's like a chocolate truffle, but absolutely totally healthy. No kind of like sugar spiking sweeteners. It's made from natural sweeteners that don't spike your blood sugar, and also contains lots of really healthy fats. So yeah, if you kind of like, if you like snacking, or if you're struggling with cutting out sugar, then adding in some kind of sugar-free fat bombs is a really great way of kind of calming those cravings, but also getting a really great fat hit at the same time. So number 5 is add nuts to your homemade curries. I don't know about you, but I absolutely love a curry. I find that it's, you know, you can really you can hit so many of your nutrition goals in a curry. You know, you can add loads of vegetables, you can have like nice organic chicken or meat and kind of get your protein hit. And yeah, you obviously add lots of fat. Curry is such a great opportunity to add lots of different fats to the meal. You've got nuts, like cashew nuts and almonds are great added in. They work really well. You know, cashew nuts especially, like I love cashew nuts in curry. They taste, you know, they go really soft and oh, they're just delicious. I absolutely love cashews in curry. Almond milk, you've got full fat coconut milk as well, is a great one to make the curry really kind of thick and creamy. And also coconut shavings as well, like even sprinkling them on top, just to give your body that little bit of a boost of healthy fats, which can help calm your skin and help heal your body from the inside out. So yeah, add fat to your curries as much as you can. So there we go. They are my 5 quick tips on how to add more fat to your diet every day. If you have any questions about anything, just pop them in the comments below. I'll also link below to some of my favorite recipes of some of the things that we've spoken about today. So don't forget to check that out. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you next time. Bye!